Hi, my name is Sarah Childress, and I'm excited to be offering a course entitled Film Art. A lot of us watch films, but not all of us know how to see a film, to understand how films visually communicate their information. There's a reason for this. Most story-driven films attempt to mask these elements, so we focus on the story rather than on how the story is told. My job is to help make the invisible visible. By the end of this course, you'll be able to do three things: identify the formal elements of film, know how they function, and understand how they contribute to the film's overall story. Now, this course may be a little different from others that you've enjoyed. The information I'll be sharing is meant to foster skill development, namely eye training. I'll use lectures to define the formal elements, which include mise en scène, cinematography, editing, and sound, and to describe their function. Then we'll apply this information to guided clip analysis. Using scenes from our assigned films, together, we'll identify the formal elements, look at how they work within the scene, and then think about how they contribute to the overall film. So in addition to being able to spot these elements, you'll also begin film analysis, learning how to break down a film to understand how it works. I look forward to helping you deepen your appreciation of film, and I promise you'll never watch films in the same way again.